Welcome back friends. In this video I will tell you about an online source of videos, audio tracks, video tracks and different templates of different designs. Let's start. I will show you in detail. Go to the Google and type here Mix Kit. This is the name of tool, and here is the link of home page and different links as well, but let's check this option. From here you can search for video, music, sound effects, templates and many more. Click on video option. Here is a video option, different video options. Natural videos in nature, sky, beach, flower, rain, forest, sun, sea and so on. Lifestyle, people, main, baby, dance, house, business. Let's check this option, technology. Right click, and here are 365 free technology stock videos. You can check for different videos. Here are so many. Let's check this one. Right click, move the mouse and it will take few seconds. For example, this one, you can see what kind of video this is. Then after that, if you like the video, you can check for details. Right click on this video, and here you can watch the track. Videos are of different sizes. Some are of 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds and so on. Let's check this. This is only 17 seconds video. If you want this track to aid in your track or some like a tutorial, you can download. Click here, download free video. It will start downloading. Here you can enter your email address and get notification of latest uploaded files on this online source, latest uploaded videos and audio tracks and so on. Whatever source they are uploading different files, you will get a notification on your email ID. So close this option. This is the video I just downloaded. Let's play and check the quality, and I think this is the best quality of online free video. You can use it for different purposes, for YouTube video tutorials, for different purposes. Wherever you can fit this video, there is no copyright issue. Dear friends, you can also search for different types of videos. For example, here is search option. If I want to get a video relevant to dance, I have to search here and I will get the collection of videos in which you can see a portion or a whole video is about dancing. 396 free dance stock videos, and one by one you can see here. And I already downloaded this video. I will show the quality. This is the video I have downloaded for my YouTube. I have used this video in music track, and you can also use according to your requirement. And if you like this video, please share with your friends, like video and subscribe to my channel.